So, Clinton, man, today we're going to be talking about your place. My students want to know what do you think about the place you live today?
All right. Well, I live in a little town that's called Cantonment, and
Cantonment.
it's outside of the city of Pensacola. Which, if you get a map of Florida Florida looks kind of like a gun, right?
All right.
And over here, so this is where the fun stuff is. Orlando hanging out over here, and there's Miami, and there's the Keys. Well, Pensacola is all the way over here.
Crap, man.
Where the bullet comes out of the gun, at the southern part of that western tip. And so my little town that I live in is a little bit further north from there. And I like it okay because I like that I'm a little bit tucked away from the city. Well, I say city, it's a small city.
Hmm.
Um, I like that. But sometimes I feel that there's just not a whole lot to do around here because I went on a little date night with my spouse on Tuesday, and we had to think about, okay, well, what is there to do on a Tuesday in Pensacola? Is there anything to do on a Tuesday in Pensacola? We went bowling, so we did that, but there's just not a whole lot that goes on.
Ah, in Guadiba, we can ask the same question. Well, what's fun to do here in the city in every day? I mean, even on weekends, we don't have shit to do here. Like
Yeah,
in this city here, we have 40,000 inhabitants. How many people do you have in your city?
well, I don't know off the top of my head, but I can
Google will
Google it
solve
real
it.
quick. So a quick cursory Google search says 52,000. So
Oh,
about it's comparable to
yeah.
your city.
Yeah, but I mean, the funny city from my region names is Ribeirão Preto, and we are 40 minutes away from that. How far are you from the fun part of the California? No, what's the city that you mentioned? It's
Orlando,
Orlando. Yeah, how far are you from that in minutes, for example?
about 6 hours, 6.5 hours. When you stop to pee, it's about 6.5 to 7 hours, and the time changes.
Oh my lord, dude, that's not good. You are so far from fun. I'm sorry
Yeah.
for you. I'm sorry,
Although
but
New Orleans is close. New Orleans is like 3 hours away. A lot of
New
people find New
Orleans.
Orleans fun.
Yeah, there's a song that I like so much about New Orleans.
What's the Changshay?
What's that? Why did you speak like that? What did you say? It sounded like a Chinese guy to me.
It didn't. I don't know. Sometimes I do that because like you're just like, yeah, I have this song, and then there was nothing. I was like, well,
Yeah, like no,
tell me
the
about it.
yeah,
I
the,
don't
the
know this
song
song.
the song's nice, but it's a cover. Do you know the punk rock band called No Effects?
I do not.
You don't? No, man, it's a great band. Do you know Blink 182?
I do know them.
Blink 182. Okay, they have a song, New Orleans. What's wrong, man? Is there
I
any
don't know. So,
spirit?
I don't know. So I just outside of my window, it sounded like some machinery was letting off a lot of pressure. Was just
Oh my gosh. It sounds like a Coke truck here in Brazil. When you are here, you listen to it's the Coke machine arriving in the city.
yeah, it was just really weird and loud, and I can't see it through my window, so I don't know what they're doing. They're doing
Just
something over
aliens.
here.
Just aliens. Just take it easy because oh, baby's here. Hello, baby. I am here with Clinton Davis, straight from Florida.
Yo, bro, what's up?
Hey,
This is one of my teachers here from school. In fact, he was my English teacher, you
No, I'm
know?
not that old, you know.
Yeah, he is. Be sure he is, man. Like a 40 something, these guys, yeah?
What?
It's like that.
oh yeah.
Okay. But no, that's okay.
Man, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So go home. Go home. No, I am going to talk to you in a sec, okay?
All right. Yeah.
So, Clinton, I forgot what I was going to say, but probably it wasn't important at all, It
I'm
was,
sure. But
yeah.
yeah, a lot of people. I mean, New Orleans is okay. It's just very. If you're in let me back it up. There's a lot of good culture in New Orleans. Like they've got the World War II Museum, fantastic. And they have a lot of good like music and street performers, but it also does get a little crazy over there too. I mean, I like to visit New Orleans. I would not want to live in New Orleans. That's too much.
Just some minutes of fun and that's it. That's it.
Yeah, and then go home and take a really hot shower.
Okay, all right. Well, I don't know. I've never been to the United States, but New Orleans wouldn't be a place that I'd say, oh, I'd like to meet this place. But I'd like to meet Florida, especially because the first place I would be in the United States would be your house, just to let
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, I would
Yeah, when we
totally
move
go.
to Orlando, you'll totally have to come visit.
You see,
And
I
we can
would
take you to. So they have a little section in the city that like it's like Little Brazil or something, because they've got like a huge little soccer player taking a knee. They like 10 foot tall little statue. So-
Good Lord, man. But no, I
and
wouldn't like to go there. I would run away from Brazilian. Yeah, I wouldn't like to
yeah,
be there.
but they have Camilas and it's so good. It's probably different for you because like, yeah, I eat this shit every day.
Mm.
But for me, it's like I love to go to.
Yeah, Brazilian food is awesome. I can't complain about that, man, because man, Brazilian food is the deal. But do you enjoy Japanese food?
Oh my god, yeah.
It's my first top one,
That is one thing that we do well in Pensacola, the seafood. So like getting sushi in Pensacola,
Hmm,
it's great.
I'll do that. And probably the next day, we are going to be talking a little bit more about food. Okay, dude?
Alrighty, that sounds good.
So, Clinton, thank you so much. Tomorrow we're gonna be back here because people are giving nice feedbacks about our videos here, about our content on Spotify. Probably they are enjoying what we're doing here because I am receiving some messages.
All right. Oh, what are they saying?
They say, wow, Clinton is so hot. Yeah, one of them just said that. Yeah.
Let me turn the air down real quick. You're
That's
making me nervous. You're making me blush.
Oh my gosh, man. Well, I always have fun with you, my buddy. I hope that we will keep doing this the 365 days per year, okay?
Sounds good. I expect a cake on day 365.
Okay, yeah. And just a question. When the year, I remembered. I was going to ask you when the year has 366 days, the name, but it's leap year, yeah?
That's right.
Yeah. In Brazil, we call that ano bissexto.
Ano bissexto?
Yeah, take a look. It's so creepy.
What does bissexto mean?
Sexto is the sixth.
6.
And the B means the second,
I mean, I guess that would make 12, which is divisible by 4.
Oh, you were the math teacher. I'm sorry, but I'm not the one who can help you with that, okay? Not me. But man, I'm going. And next day, the next time, the next opportunity, we're gonna be back, okay, dude?
Perfect.
Have a great one, my friend. Bye-bye.
You too. See ya.